Honor has just launched its new X series phone in select Asian markets, and it's called the Honor X9c. Today, let's take a closer look at the specifications of this latest smartphone offering. The Honor X9c features a tall, 6.78-inch 1.5K resolution curved AMOLED display with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate and an impressive 4,000 nits of peak brightness support. This ensures a vibrant and immersive viewing experience whether you're gaming, streaming, or browsing. Under the hood, the phone is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset, paired with the Adreno 710 GPU. This combination promises solid performance for everyday tasks and gaming. As for storage, the smartphone comes with 8GB or 12GB of RAM and 256GB or 512GB of onboard storage, giving you plenty of space for all your apps, photos, and videos. In terms of optics, the Honor X9c sports a dual camera setup housed under a circular ring at the top center. The main camera is a whopping 108-megapixel sensor with an f1.75 aperture, and it supports optical image stabilization, OIS for stable video recording. Accompanying it is a 5-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with an f2.2 aperture. The rear cameras are capable of shooting 4K videos at 30 frames per second, making it a great choice for content creators. For selfies, the phone features a 16-megapixel camera tucked under a pill-shaped hole-punch cutout at the top center with an f2.4 aperture. Whether you're snapping selfies or hopping on video calls, this camera should deliver crisp and clear results. The device is backed by a massive 6,600 mAh battery, ensuring long-lasting usage, and it supports 66-watt fast charging, so you can quickly top up when needed. On the software front, it runs on Android 14, layered with Honor's Magic OS 8.0 skin for a smooth and customizable user experience. Additionally, the smartphone features an in-display fingerprint sensor for secure and convenient authentication. It's also IP65 certified, making it dust and splash resistant, so you don't have to worry about accidental spills or dusty environments. Connectivity options on the Honor X9c include dual SIM 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.1, GPS, NFC, and a USB Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of the phone measure 162.8 by 75.5 by 7.98 millimeters, and it weighs around 189 grams, making it sleek and comfortable to hold. Now, let's talk about pricing. The Honor X9c has been launched in Malaysia and Singapore, and it's available in 3 stunning color options: titanium purple, titanium black, and jade cyan. Before we sign off, let's quickly recap the standout features of the Honor X9c. With its 6.78-inch 1.5K curved AMOLED display, 120 Hz refresh rate, and 4,000 nits peak brightness, this phone is a visual powerhouse. The Snapdragon 6 Gen 1 chipset ensures smooth performance, while the 108-megapixel main camera with OIS and 4K video recording capabilities makes it a strong contender for photography enthusiasts. The massive 6,600 mAh battery paired with 66-watt fast charging is a game-changer for heavy users, ensuring you stay powered throughout the day. Add to that the IP65 rating for dust and splash resistance, and you've got a device that's both durable and reliable. Honor has also kept up with modern trends by including an in-display fingerprint sensor, 5G connectivity, and the latest Android 14 with Magic OS 8.0. The sleek design, available in titanium purple, titanium black, and jade cyan, adds a touch of elegance to the overall package. However, the competition in the mid-range segment is fierce. Brands like Xiaomi, Realme, and Samsung are constantly pushing the boundaries with feature-packed devices at competitive prices. The Honor X9c will need to prove its value to stand out in this crowded market. So, what's your take on the Honor X9c? Do you think it has what it takes to compete with other mid-range smartphones, or do you feel it's missing something? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. That's all for today's update, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button for more tech news and reviews. Stay tuned, and we'll see you in the next one.